In today's video, we're breaking down exactly how much 15,329 Kaspa tokens could be worth by 2026. Whether you're already deep into the KAS ecosystem or just starting to accumulate, this breakdown is for you. But first, if you're looking for a solid exchange to trade crypto, I personally use WEEX. It's reliable, has deep liquidity, super low fees, and a massive selection of coins. Right now, you can claim up to $30,000 in sign-up bonuses and trade with up to 400x leverage. Best part? No KYC required. Use the link in the description to sign up and claim your bonus today. Now back to Kaspa. At the time of recording, KAS is trading at 9 cents with a market cap of approximately $2.4 billion. That means your 15,329 KAS tokens are currently worth around $1,379. That's not bad for an altcoin that's still flying under the radar. But the big question is, where could this go by 2026? Let's run through some price levels. If Kaspa were to double to 18 cents, your holdings would be worth about $2,758. If it triples to 27 cents, that's $4,137. At 50 cents, a realistic target some analysts believe could be hit during the next bull market, your 15,329 tokens would be worth $7,664. And at $1, that's $15,329 flat. Not bad for a token that's currently priced under 10 cents. But is $1 Kaspa even possible? Let's talk about market cap. If KS hits $1, its total market cap would rise to roughly $26.6 billion, assuming no major changes in circulating supply. That's about 10x from today's level. Several Layer 1 coins have already reached or surpassed that mark in previous bull runs. So yes, while $1 is ambitious, it's not outside the realm of possibility. To understand the potential, we need to dig into what makes Kaspa different. Kaspa is not just another proof-of-work coin. It's built on a revolutionary architecture called the Ghostdag protocol, a generalization of Nakamoto consensus that allows blocks to be created in parallel. In simple terms, Kaspa currently processes 10 blocks per second, making it one of the fastest Layer 1s on the market. This makes Kaspa feel almost like a Layer 2, even though it's a Layer 1. Transactions confirm almost instantly, and the network can handle high throughput without needing to compromise on decentralization, something most chains still struggle with. And unlike most modern altcoins, Kaspa is purely proof of work. No pre-mine, no VC allocations, and no insider token dumps. It's one of the few coins in the top 100 that truly embraces fair launch principles. That gives it a unique appeal in a market where many investors are growing skeptical of tokenomics loaded in favor of early insiders. Kaspa's development is also lightning fast. The team has been consistently shipping updates, including Rust rewrite improvements, new mining pool integrations, and wallet enhancements. And now, one of the biggest catalysts yet, Kaspa's smart contracts are officially launching on August 31st. That's just over 4 weeks away. This major upgrade opens the door for DeFi, NFTs, and complex on-chain applications to finally run on the Kaspa network. Another key differentiator is scalability. Kaspa doesn't rely on rollups, sidechains, or Layer 2 solutions to scale. It scales natively thanks to its DAG-based structure. That's a game changer. If transaction volume explodes during the next bull cycle, Kaspa is one of the few chains truly built to handle it. And let's not forget community. Kaspa has seen explosive growth in grassroots support, with more than 100,000 followers across social media, new influencers covering the project, and mining communities continuing to secure the network globally. It's one of the few projects where decentralization isn't just a buzzword, it's real. Now, let's get back to numbers. At 18 cents, your 15,329 KS would be worth $2,758. At 50 cents, they'd be worth $7,664. At $1, you're sitting on $15,329. But what about $2? That would value your bag at $30,658 and push Kaspa's market cap to around $53 billion. That's a huge leap, but not impossible if crypto as a whole enters a major bull phase and Layer 1 solutions with strong fundamentals start getting serious investor attention. Still, we have to be cautious. The road to mass adoption isn't guaranteed. Kaspa still needs more CEX listings, stronger DApp infrastructure, and better marketing visibility. And while it's gaining traction, competition in the L1 space is brutal, from Solana and Avalanche to emerging chains trying to take the spotlight. There's also the volatility factor. Kaspa has experienced sharp pullbacks in the past. If macroeconomic conditions turn bearish, even strong projects like Kaspa can take a hit. But unlike many speculative tokens, Kaspa has the fundamentals to recover and thrive. Zooming out even further, we're also starting to see interest in Kaspa from institutional players. Some crypto hedge funds have reportedly begun exploring exposure to proof-of-work assets outside of Bitcoin, and Kaspa's unique architecture puts it on their radar. If that trend continues, even a small allocation from major funds could send serious volume into the KAS market. Additionally, the launch of smart contracts is more than just a technical upgrade. It's a gateway to new utility. Once DeFi protocols, NFT platforms, and other dApps start building on Kaspa, we'll likely see a network effect that brings in new users and developers. And with a more active network, the token's intrinsic value could rise alongside demand. There's also speculation about future upgrades beyond smart contracts. The dev team has hinted at implementing ZK-proof integrations and privacy-enhancing features, which would push Kaspa even further into next-gen territory. If realized, that could put it in the same conversation as projects like Mina or Aleo, but with much stronger decentralization and a battle-tested network already in place. Let's bring it all together. Your 15,329 KAS is worth around $1,379 right now. In a conservative bull market where KAS hits 30 cents, you're looking at $4,598. At 50 cents, that's $7,664. A breakout to $1 puts you at $15,329, and a moonshot to $2 gives you $30,658, with a $53 billion market cap. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. But is it within reach if Kaspa delivers and the market heats up? Absolutely. Drop a comment below and let me know your prediction. How high do you think Kaspa can realistically go by 2026? If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more long-form, data-driven crypto predictions, make sure to like this video and subscribe. This is just the beginning. Kaspa's next chapter could be its biggest one yet.